Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna head into CVS today. I have an amazing moneymaker haul for you guys. So at the end, I'll explain to you guys exactly how I break it down. We are gonna enter in all the information in our digital budget spreadsheet just to show you guys exactly how it is a cash moneymaker, what your net cost is, the whole 9 yards. If you guys are new here, take a second, hit the red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you some great deals on paper products, laundry products, diapers. As you know, I'm also going to let you guys know of a secret for how to get a 3 off 15 or a 10 off 70 or a 20 off 80 CRT. I know a lot of us haven't gotten those in like years. It's been years for me, but I think I found a hack for how to get one. So I'm going to share that with you guys in the video. And at the end, I'm also going to show you guys a quick tutorial for how to use the Coupons 24 app. And real quick, before we head inside, if you guys are struggling with learning how to coupon using only your phone and you're not saving hundreds of dollars every single month, I have a completely free coupon class that I'm going to be doing this Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I'm going to be teaching you how to stack your deals, how to find deals on products that you actually use, how to save 75% per month using only your phone. And we're going to go over tracking your spending because that is such a key part of saving money. So the link for that is going to be below for you guys in the description box, or go to BreeCouponQueen.com/masterclass, and that's how you can reserve your seat. At the end, I'm going to do a full 20-minute Q&A so I can answer absolutely every question you guys have. So if you're struggling with something, if you have any questions, please bring them to the masterclass. I will see you guys there. Without further ado, let's head inside and start couponing this week at CVS. First, we're going to start with an easy deal on body wash. So you can do soft soap or you can do Irish Spring. They're part of the same promotion for buy one, get one half off, buy two, get a $2 extra buck. So what you're going to do is grab 2 soft soap. That would be the cheapest way to do it. That would be $9.88. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.88, earn back the $2 extra buck, makes your final net cost $3.88 for 2 of them. Next, we're doing the amazing deal on Shea Moisture this week. They are spend $20 on Shea Moisture hair care, get a $10 extra buck back. So I'm gonna stock up on kids products. I'm gonna grab both of these here for $11.99 each. We have a 10 off 2 digital coupon. So you're gonna pay $13.98, get back the $10 extra buck, makes your final cost $3.98 for 2 of them, or $1.99 a piece for Shea Moisture starting at $12. That is a steal. The next Shea Moisture deal we're going to do is on the bath stuff. So these are buy 2 for bath and shower products. You're going to earn back a $4 extra buck. I'm going to grab one of these body washes because we do have a $4 digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab this bar soap. This is my absolute favorite for $8.39, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $16.98 out of pocket. You can pay with extra bucks. You're going to earn back a $4 extra buck. Then submit to Ibotta for cash back on both products. We're getting $4 back and $3 back. Gives us $7 cash back. That makes our final cost $5.98 for both products, or $2.99 a piece. We also have a great deal on diapers this week, so if you need some, definitely stock up. Huggies are on sale 2 for $20, and when you spend $20 on Huggies or pull-ups or Goodnights, you'll get a $5 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab the size 5, that's what my son is in, grab 2. We have a $1 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app. So you'll pay $19, earn back the $5 extra buck, then submit to checkout 51 for $1 back on the second pack. Makes your final cost $13 for 2 packages, or $6.50 a pack. Not a horrible deal, definitely not as cheap as we've gotten it before, but if you grab these at Walmart, you're paying $10 per pack, so you're still saving 35% compared to Walmart. Next, we have a deal on Colgate products. So the Colgate total are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. You can grab 2 of these larger toothpaste. These are the 5.1 ounce for $5.49 each. That'll bring you to $10.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so click that. You'll pay $7.98, earn back the $5 extra buck, makes your final cost $2.98 for 2, or $1.49 a piece. Next, we have an easy moneymaker deal that every single person can do this week. So Oral-B and Crest are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, and they're $3.99 each. Grab one of the Oral-B, click the $2 off 1 digital coupon on the CVS app. Next, you're gonna grab any of the Crest that are $3.99 each, grab one, and click the $2 off 1 digital coupon. So for these two, you're at $7.98. You have $4 in digital coupons. You'll pay $3.98, earn back the $5 extra buck, makes it free, and a $1.02 moneymaker. So let's go over my first transaction. For these 6 products, retail price would be $54.94. That is insane. But after all of our digital coupons come off, we're gonna pay $34.94. So a good drop, but still way too high. Do not be paying over $30 out of pocket. On my CVS account, it shows I have $20.98 worth of extra bucks. So I'm gonna use that to lower my out-of-pocket cost. So I'm gonna pay just $13.96 plus taxes out of pocket for all of these products. Then I'm gonna earn back all of the extra bucks. $4 extra buck for these two, $10 extra buck for these two, and a $5 extra buck for these. Plus on Ibotta, I'm earning $7 cash back for these. Makes my final net cost just $8.94 for all these products. At the end, I'm gonna show you guys how I enter everything into my digital budget spreadsheet as well, so you can show your cash cost and everything and how much is actually coming out of your budget to grab all the products we're grabbing today. So stay tuned for that, because that is such an important part. Another product you should never be paying full price for is feminine care. It's not our fault that we need some feminine care. So this week there's an amazing deal at CVS. They are buy any 2 Depend or Poise, get a $7 extra back. So what you're gonna do is grab one of the liners for $7.49. This works with a 75-cent cashback Ibotta rebate. So that's why you wanna grab 1 liners. Then you're gonna grab one of the pads here for $7.59. This also works with a separate 75-cent Ibotta rebate, and we have a $2.50 digital coupon, so clip that as well. So total for these is $15.08. After the coupons come off, you're gonna pay $12.58 out of pocket. Then you're gonna get back the $7 extra buck plus a $1.50 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your final cost $4.18 for 2 packs, or $2.09 a piece. We also have a great deal on laundry products this week. So this week it's a little different. It's spend $25, get a $5 extra buck. So it's not as good as the spend 30, get 10, but still a decent deal and way better than paying full price. I'm gonna be using the Coupons 24 app. It's super easy to use. Each coupon has a barcode on the coupon, so I'll show you in just a second. First, I'm gonna grab one of the Tide Pods for $12.99. There is a $3 off 1 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app, so I'm gonna clip that. It's completely free to download, so just get it downloaded. Next, I'm gonna grab a small Tide Pods for $5.49. Use a $1.50 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. As you can see on the coupon, there is a barcode. This is what the cashier can scan for each coupon so that all of your coupons come off. Or there's a way on the app that you can just have them scan 1 barcode, and every coupon that you have clipped is gonna scan through and see if it attaches to any of the products. So there's 2 different ways that you can do it. Next, you wanna grab a product that's $6.99, and I just saw these at $6.99. We have a $2 digital coupon, so this is gonna make it a little bit cheaper. The other things you can grab are this one here. There's a $1.50 digital, or you can grab some bounce dryer sheets, any of the products that are $6.99, because that'll get you right over the $25 mark. So these are the 3 products that I'm gonna grab. Total is $25.47. So we're right over the $25 mark. After all the coupons come off, we have a 2, a 3, and a $1.50. I'm gonna wind up paying $18.98, getting back a $5 extra buck. Plus, you can submit this to the PG Rewards program to get 50 points per product that you're buying. So definitely do that. It's another free program, and you can exchange your points for $5 digital gift cards towards more P&G products. That's gonna make my final cost $13.98 for all 3 products, or just $4.66 a piece. Next, we have a deal on Persil, and this one requires no coupons. So the smaller Persil here are $6.99 on sale, and buy 2 get a $6 extra buck. So again, there's no coupons for this, so you will pay the $13.98 out of pocket, get back the $6 extra buck, then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. That's gonna make your final cost $7.48 for 2 of them, or $3.74 a piece. Still a great deal compared to Walmart, where you're gonna be paying $5.44. This deal for Scott is a really good deal, but it's gonna be even better because I'm gonna wait to do it tomorrow, and here's why. First thing you wanna do is check your emails. In my emails, I got a 20% off any 1 item coupon. I tried this like 2 or 3 weeks ago and it worked, so I'm gonna see if it works again. When you use that coupon, the next day, it has to be like 24 hours, the next day you should get a CRT that's like 3 off 15 or the 10 off 70 or something like that. Last time I got a 3 off 15, so I'm hoping I get that one again so I can make this deal even better. So that's what I'm gonna try. Definitely make sure that you're checking your emails and follow me on Instagram at BrieCouponQueen3. I'll let you guys know in my stories if I wind up getting that and doing the deal. So here's the deal without using a 3 off 15 or any CRT like that. Scott is spend 20, get a $5 extra bucks. You can either grab this one or the Scott 100. I prefer this one. There is a $1 off one digital coupon. Then you can grab one of these huge Scott double rolls, the 6 equals 12. These are $9.99 as well. I don't have any coupons for this one. So total for these is $19.98. After the $1 digital comes off, you'll pay $18.98, earn back the $5 extra buck. Makes your final cost $13.98 for 2 or $6.99 per pack. If you do with a 3 off of 15 CRT, your final cost is going to be $10.98 for 2 or $5.49 per pack, which is definitely a better deal. We're back in from CVS. Everything went great at checkout. So first I want to share with you a quick tutorial for how to use the Coupons 24 app. It's super easy. What you're going to do is get it downloaded from the App Store. It's completely free. Then you can scroll through and click coupons at the bottom. You can go to the different offers. I usually just do the Procter & Gamble one, so you can click on that. You can search at the top if you want to search for Tide, for the Tide coupons that we're using in today's video. Then you can search for Downy for those. You can search for Bounce, whatever you want. Search for it. Same thing as always, to activate a coupon or a rebate or something like that, you're just going to click the plus sign to activate it. Now, on every single coupon, there is a barcode. So if you're only using one coupon, if you're only using this Tide coupon, they can scan the barcode right from your screen from that one coupon. That one coupon will come off at checkout. If you have multiple coupons you're using and you don't want to have to scroll through and have them scan every single coupon, then all you have to do is click this button here. This is going to pull up a barcode that covers all of the coupons you have. So what you do at checkout, here's your checkout process. Type in your phone number. They scan all the products. I have them scan any extra bucks that I'm going to be using if I have any like paper extra bucks or anything like that from a previous transaction. Then I have them scan the barcode on the Coupons 24 app. Then they hit total. It'll go through all the Coupons 24 coupons first, take those off, then any remaining digital coupons. It will not stack a digital coupon at CVS and a Coupons 24 coupon for the same product. It will not work like that. So just a heads up, there's no double dipping or anything like that with those two apps. So that is how you use the Coupons 24 app. I go to a cashier. It's super easy. So it definitely make sure that you're using it though, because it's more digital coupons that we have available to use at CVS. So we love that. Okay. Let's go over the 2 transactions that I did. Now, I do use Fetch Rewards gift cards. I'm always scanning my receipts on Fetch. I also do, because I'm an influencer, and you know, anytime you guys use my my referral codes, I do get bonuses on the back end as well. So if you guys have ever used my codes, I truly, truly appreciate it. So I do get extra points on Fetch Rewards that way. So these transactions are obviously going to be based on how I'm personally doing it and how I'm personally couponing. I share the deals with you guys in store, so you guys can kind of pick and choose what deals you want to do. I also offer the done for you deals. So if you're looking for like the top 20 deals for CVS and Walgreens, those will be linked at the top of the printable breakdown, or it'll be in the description box as well. So my very first transaction, because Ibotta has a 2% cashback rebate right now, I want my first transaction to have the highest out-of-pocket cost, knowing I'm going to cover it though with a Fetch Rewards gift card. So this is all part of stacking your deals, which we're going to be copying or covering more of in that free live masterclass. So I did the Huggies, I did the Crest and Oral-B, and all the Shea Moisture products. All of my digital coupons came off. Then I have all of my extra bucks from last week. I rolled every single one. I just keep it all on my app. I don't use paper ones. So it would have been $31.67 plus tax. If I did not have a Fetch Rewards gift card, I would not have done it this way. I would have broken it up into more transactions, because otherwise that is way too high of an out of pocket, in my opinion. I used a Fetch Rewards gift card though, so it didn't cost me anything out of pocket, but now I'm earning 2% cash back on this total, which is obviously going to be more. So that is why I did it this way. plus I submitted to Ibotta and earned the cash back on the Shea Moisture product. So I got $7 plus the 2% cash back. Then I got all my extra bucks back. Oh, also submit the Shea Moisture to Fetch. Completely forgot to check it, but I always submit my receipt. Got another $2 back. So that made that Shea Moisture deal even better. Grab some Shea Moisture. I personally like Shea Moisture products. My second transaction, I did the Poise and I did the laundry deal. So all the digital coupons came off. These are all coupons from the Coupons 24 app. And then these are the digital coupons. And then these are the extra bucks I earned from my first transaction. I rolled it in my second transaction. Used the rest of the Fetch Rewards gift card, so it didn't cost me anything out of pocket again. But I did submit over to Ibotta and I got back the money on the Poise liner. So I got back another $1.50. So in total, I've earned back $8.50 plus the 2%. I have to do some calculations. That should hit my account within a day. So let's go home and enter in all this information in my digital budget spreadsheet so you can see cash cost, percentage saved, net cost, the whole 9 yards. The budget spreadsheet that I created calculates everything for you, so it makes it so much easier. So let's go enter in. So this is my digital budget spreadsheet. So what we're gonna do is, I like to do one line per transaction. It just makes it a lot easier so I can see the percentage saved per transaction. So we're gonna select the store. Retail price, a lot of people get this confused. Retail price is all of the sale prices of all of the products that you're buying. So for mine, we did the Huggies deal. They were 2 for $20, so we're at 20. Then we did the Oral-B and Crest. They were $3.99 on sale plus $3.99 on sale. Those are the prices we're adding up. We're not talking about coupons. We're not talking about taxes, just the retail price of the products, which was $74.94. Now, what is your out-of-pocket cost? What did you swipe your card for? For me, it was $0 because I used a digital gift card, which I'm gonna put right here. Free gift cards, I have the definition right here for Fetch Rewards. If you guys want access to this digital budget spreadsheet as well, it'll be below for you guys in the description box, or just go to this website, briecouponqueen.com/budget. All the formulas and everything are in here for you guys, so you'll be able to have access to all of this. Plus, you'll get access to the monthly budget planner, which is gonna help you just allocate all your income and figure out all your essentials and your wants, all that kind of stuff. So all of that comes with it. So now we are gonna put in rewards. How many rewards and extra bucks did I use in my first transaction? So I paid with $20.97. I did not buy any gift cards from like Flues or anything like that. Total cash back, I earned $7.69 from Ibotta. And then rewards I earned back was $24. So it shows my net cost is a moneymaker, my cash cost is a moneymaker. So now for my second transaction, it was $40.55 worth. Out of pocket, again, was $0 because I used the gift card. So the gift card price was $9.34. Rewards I used was the $24 that I had just earned, right, from the previous transaction. Didn't buy any gift cards. Total cash back on this one. And then total cash back was 5 and 7 is 12. So I saved over 100% on both transactions. So that's how it wound up being a cash moneymaker. So I wound up making over $9 just for buying these products because I used gift cards. I stacked all my deals, earned a cash back on top of that. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys in that completely free live coupon class. So that is going to be this Wednesday. If you guys want to come, I would absolutely love to have you guys. Just go to briecouponqueen.com/masterclass, or that link will be below for you guys in the description box as well. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. I'm just trying to make sure that my hauls give you like a full picture of exactly what it's like to know how to coupon the right way and be able to do these deals. So make sure that you are only doing deals on products you need, and make sure you are tracking your spending. That is so, so important. Whether you snag my budget spreadsheet, whether you want to spend a couple hours building your own, make sure you're tracking your money. It is so, so important. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.